We're going to be talking about the importance of networking from an entrepreneur's perspective in any business executive or manager or anybody in life, frankly. The importance of networking is across all your domains of life, not just business. You know, getting things done in life requires help. I mean, the fact that you woke up this morning and had water to drink and food readily available, or Starbucks to go pay $5 for a coffee for at your disposal, was because somebody else did that. They ran water, they piped and dug holes, and all this work and all this infrastructure that's been done, we just wake up and it's there. We can take advantage of that. And that's the advantage of being a part of a network. We take things for granted. Our capacity is so limited. We collaborate with others to increase our capacities to produce a good life. It's not very powerful to organize around your own concerns when you're trying to go out into the marketplace, because people are different. They don't care. Our moms love us, but they can't affect our outcomes in life, right? We have to do that. And if we're always wrapped around what we want, you'll always be a common offer in the marketplace. That's about 99%. If you want to get top 1%, you have to understand the concerns of the listener and organize around that, and then understand what their value triggers are, and then be able to language that. Let's start with basics, right? What's a network?
They're pretty much the basis of everything that occurs in society. Mostly everything you do is through some kind of network.
So we're always noticing in the marketplace where the uncommon knowledge is. If the outcome for the product is $100 per unit, and you're going to sell a million of them, and you know what you brought to the table was common, like I could find that with anybody that had a biology background, then the relative assessment of what you're bringing to the table is not so much. You have to have an intention. You have to have an ambition to go out and build a network. Understand what it is, as well as like, what is a network? Why do you care? And now, if you believe that it can help you and you need a powerful network, then now you have to have a stated intention. And then once you have an intention, you can work back into, okay, now how am I going to do it? Now I can build a set of practices. A set of practices could be, okay, learn how to notice power. Power, again, the relative assessment to produce an intended outcome. What stands between us today with a common network and building an intentional, powerful, uncommon network? It's knowledge. And then with specific knowledge, you need named practices. Vision, you have to know what it is you want, at least notionally. And you have to be an active player in that life. And to do that, you need good help. To be good help, or to get good help, you have to be good help. Normally that means you have to obligate when you don't have much yet, and you seek, you're just starting out in life, right? I mean, you're just getting your degrees, you're looking for mentors if you're going to graduate school and such. So you have to obligate. Let me help you. Let me grade these papers. Let me do this. Let me figure out some way. Talk to somebody. Find out what they're organized around. What do they need? What would help them? And make bold requests. Here's what would help me. I would love to learn from you, Professor X, who has knowledge that I respect and want to transact for.